Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Hi guys, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Thanks for joining me again once more. Today I'll be giving you a curry shrimp recipe that I hope you guys enjoy. Now here's a list of some of the ingredients that I'll be using. Don't mind the cabbage, it's just for presentation. So guys, let's get this show started. So guys, I'm gonna start with the prepping of the bell peppers. So let's get this going on. This is my fillet knife, so it's a very sharp knife. I'm just gonna de-seed these things. So I'm going to eventually use the seeds in my garden. So very sharp knife. I use it to fillet my fish. I know you guys haven't seen me in about 2 weeks. It's been hectic at work. So I'm back. Now you know I love my colors, so hence I use all these beautiful colors in the bell peppers that you see on display. Hope you guys like this recipe that I'm about to do. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So I'm just going to neatly cut up these and get them prepared. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be finished with these bell peppers and moving on to the next process. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I've finished most of the preparations for this recipe, and I hope guys leave in the comment section and tell me how these beautiful colors look. And guys, I tell you, I love when I'm cooking and these colors just stand out in my recipes. So guys, let's get the shrimps ready to go to the fire. That's a closer look. My bell peppers, garlic, pepper, onion, allspice. Now guys, here's my pot being heated, so I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm just gonna saute all my vegetables and my herbs, should say. First, the most potent one is my garlic. And my onions. Bell peppers, oh my, look at those lovely colors. I'm going to turn the stove down a bit. Guys, at this time I'm going to add a little of the curry. Oh God, that Jamaican curry just smells totally different than any other curry. The new pack, Guys, put it in the description below and tell me in the comment box and tell me which curry you use and which is the best curry, because everybody have their different types of curry. Just tell me. So guys, you see, get that nice curry look. So I'm just gonna prepare the shrimps now to add to this. So guys, now I'm gonna add a little water to the mix. And for my carrot and my Irish potato, because you know they take a while to cook, so I want them to just simmer, because you know that I'm going to be using the coconut milk in this recipe. Alright guys, so I'm going to get the rest of ingredients sorted out for this. Now guys, here's my coconut milk. So rich. Just gonna cover it up now and get my shrimp ready to be added. Guys, at this time I'm going to be adding the shrimp. I'm going to just stir it in. I forgot to buy cornstarch, so you know I'm going to use a little flour to get the thickening of the gravy. So guys, I'm going to just leave this now to cook. Look at it. With all those colors, beautiful, just beautiful. Now guys, let us check and see how it's doing. Coming on real well. Okay guys, let's check on it, see where it's at. Ooh. Wow, that smell that's in the air. See how the gravy is thick. I didn't have any cornstarch, so I used a little bit of a flour mixture. So guys, let me get a taste in my hand. Ooh. Just right, just right. The coconut milk gives it that sweet taste. So guys, what I want you to do now is join me at the table. Hi guys, here it is. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And leave a comment in the comment section and tell me how you love this recipe. Curry shrimp.